Industries are economic activities concerned with the processing of raw materials and manufacturing of goods in factories. The location of industries refers to the geographical siting of industries within a country or region. In Zimbabwe, industrial location is influenced by a combination of physical, economic, political, and social factors which determine the viability and profitability of the industrial activities. Understanding these factors is crucial in planning and promoting balanced industrial development. 10 factors influencing the location of industries in Zimbabwe. 1. Availability of raw materials. Industries tend to locate close to the source of raw materials to minimize transport costs and ensure a steady, reliable supply. For example, sugar industries are located in the Lowveld near sugarcane plantations, while timber industries are found in the Eastern Highlands. 2. Availability of power and energy supply. Reliable electricity and other energy sources like coal are essential for industrial operations. Industrial centers like Harare, Bulawayo, and Hwange are located near power supplies such as hydroelectric power stations and coalfields. 3. Availability of labor. Industries require both skilled and unskilled labor for their operations. Industrial areas are often located near urban centers and regions with high population densities where labor is readily available. 4. Access to transport and communication networks. Good roads, railways, airports, and telecommunication facilities are crucial for transporting raw materials to factories and finished products to markets. Cities like Harare and Bulawayo are preferred due to their well-developed transport infrastructure. 5. Proximity to markets. Industries often locate near their markets to reduce distribution costs and respond quickly to consumer demands. For example, food processing industries in Harare cater to the large urban market there. 6. Availability of water supply. Many industries, such as breweries, food processing, and textile industries, require large amounts of water for processing, cooling, and cleaning. Proximity to reliable water sources like rivers, dams, and municipal supplies is a key factor. 7. Government policies and incentives. The Zimbabwean government influences industrial location through tax incentives, provision of industrial parks, and infrastructural development in certain areas to encourage decentralization and balanced regional development. 8. Availability of land and space. Industries need adequate and affordable land for factory construction, expansion, and associated infrastructure. Industrial sites are chosen in areas where land is accessible and zoning regulations permit industrial development. 9. Capital availability. Industrial location is also influenced by access to financial resources and investment opportunities. Major industrial centers like Harare and Bulawayo have better access to banks, investors, and financial institutions. 10. Historical and cultural factors. Some industries are located in areas with a long-standing industrial tradition, skilled communities, or cultural preferences for certain trades. For example, Bulawayo developed as an industrial hub due to its colonial history as a rail and administrative center.